Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, there is a higher chances that it has already made a new high, as you have seen that it has already touched a level of $29.55 and now the price is continuously down. I've clearly explaining that whenever gold is making new high, we have seen a good fall comes. If you look at these trends, okay, whenever it's tried to make a new high, we have seen a good fall. If you look at these trends also, whenever it is trying to make a new high, a good fall is coming. Okay, look at these trends. Okay, from around, you can say from if you go on a week wise chart, there was a continuous upside, and if you go on a day wise chart, you will see that a profit booking come at one day, but and this is the only period we have seen there is a continuous upside. These are 2-3 periods where the price was continuously and forming a green candle. Okay, and whenever it is try to make a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. Similarly, what we have seen in this particular level also. Now the price is trading in this particular zone. So if the price sustain above this particular level of around 29.39, probability will be high, it will cross a level of $29.44. And once the price sustain above this level, probability that it can make a new all-time high again, and then profit booking can come again. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, see if the gold price, see there is a higher chances, but now if you go on a dollar index, you will see that the price of dollar index is continuously trying to go down. Okay, and chances are high that if the price keep moving below a level of 106.5, we will see there will be a further downfall, we can see. Okay, so chances are higher that once the price started falling below 106.5, chance of touching 105.5 will be there, and then from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of $105. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a level of 104.3 we can see. But if the price sustain this level, it can move towards a level of 107.1 to a level of $107.3, and if that sustain, we can see there will be a further rise. This is the U pattern forming, so we will see the price will go towards 108.5 to a level of 109, and then a further upside towards 109.5 and then $110. So probability of moving further upside we can see. Okay, so when I'm saying that the dollar index started going down, we will see the price of index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up. Similarly, if the dollar index started moving upside, we will see the gold price will come down. This is what we have seen. Okay, now coming back on the gold price, what we can see, if you look at the gold price, suppose if the price sustain this level, see this is a day wise chart, so support and resistance are based on. So suppose if the price sustain this level, it will go towards $29.36, and suppose if the price started sustaining over $29.36, probability of going towards a level of $29.36. After that, we can see a level of $29.43. Suppose if the price sustain over a level of $29.43, which is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go further upside, and from there it will go towards $29.50. This $29.50 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go above that level, and from there it will touch a level of $29.57. Okay, you have to trail your SL by $5, so you can capture a big movement towards. If the price sustain above $29.55, it can touch a level of $29.60 to a level of $29.70, and a probability of going towards $3,000 also we can see. And if that sell by $5 or $7, so you can capture a big movement towards upside. But as I've explained you, market is uncertain, so you have to understand. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $29.23, which is a support $1, and once started falling below this level, it can move towards $29.14. Then there will be a zone breakout after 3 days, so probability of going towards 29.11 we can see, and once the price started falling below 29.11, chance of touching a level of 28.87 is there. Okay, and suppose if the price started falling below 28.87, probability of going further down we can see towards a level of 28.83 we can see, and if the price started falling below 28.83, probability of touching 28.80 we can see, and then we can see there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see towards a level of $28.73, and once the price started falling below 28.73, we can see a level of 28.61, and from there a further downfall we can see towards $28.51. Suppose if the price started falling below 28.51, the probability of touching 28.45 will be there, and from there a further fall we can see towards $28.32, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall will be there. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel subscribe it. Thank you.